Hello dams, welcome again to my channel. I'm Becca. Today I'll be showing you guys some of the hacks, mom hacks that I used to stay organized and also help me to save money. Keep watching. So you know how you come back from wherever you're going to and you just drop your keys anywhere and they can also get missing, and it's really annoying. So a way I try to stay organized is by getting this really cute rack, which you can even use like all around your house. You can see it has helped me to keep so many things that on a normal day might even get missing, but it has helped me to keep a lot of things, and I kept it in a very good location where it's easy to access. So that's one thing you have to look out for. Another thing I do is to recycle my old phone cases, and I use this to just keep my makeup organized. And you can see you're not spending money to buy anything, you're reusing what you already have, and it also makes the place look good, unlike when you just keep it anyhow. And you can also recycle your old boxes, bowls, plates, just whatever you have that you can recycle them. You can even decorate them to make them look really beautiful if you're very interested. And the next one that I'm going to be showing you guys is just this, like carrying cream in your bag. And you know how it is, you want to have some cream in your bag, but you don't have any container. So this really helps, and you can see it has a stopper that helps you from avoiding spills in your bag, and it's really small, affordable. I got this actually for $2.90 at ABUJA, and it just fits into your bag, most bags, and you just go where you're going to without any wahala. You know how it is. So for those of us that like buying shoes for our kids, you know how it is now, they outgrow them, and during the rainy seasons these shoes can get spoiled. But buying shoes like this, they are rubber shoes and they really last long, and they're really cute ones. You can find really beautiful ones, and they're really inexpensive. They're all weather. These mats go for almost 4,000 naira for just 6 pairs. And you can see, even though they are really cute and beautiful, but there's so many ways you can also have this kind of things without spending money, like this kind of one I'm showing you right now. This table mat, and it's really nice. You can see it gives a really beautiful finish. You can put it in the center of your table and all that. So the next one, we all use curry and thyme, and I advise to buy these ones because you can also recycle them. You can see I used one for my makeup, my eye pencils, and this one I'm using for my spices. So you can always recycle them, use them for your pepper, your salt, your seasoning, just whatever you use. Oh my gosh, so this is really like 2-in-1. You know how you want air freshener and you want tissue? This is just the go-to. This is air freshener and tissue in one, guys, so go buy it. So for those of us that want to save money but we also want to look good, getting cheap makeup, like things like eyeshadow, I advise you should get it, because like for some things like foundation, I feel like they should be really good ones, but things like eyeshadow can be very expensive, and you can still get it for cheap prices. So I advise that if you want to save money, you should get things like this. They're really inexpensive and they get the job done depending on how you apply. I always say it's the way you apply it that matters. You can see how popping my eyeshadow is, and it's from a very cheap palette of $8.50, guys, $8.50. So it saves me money and I still feel beautiful and I look beautiful. So guys, you know Gina, almost all toddlers do this. They just get tired whenever you're making their hair, especially when they're about to just start scratching them. So giving them things like their toys, phones, giving them things that they just normally like, and making them very comfortable is really important. And I also advise you always be in the salon with your kids when making their hair. Don't leave them there and go away. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed these hacks. Some of them you might know, some you don't know, in my mind though. So you guys, if you did enjoy this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, share to your friends so they can also see the hacks, and comment and let me know what you think. I love you for watching. Until my next video, bye.